In this video, I will guide you through the process of joining a Google One family group. To get started, open any web browser on your device and search for Google Family Group in the search bar. Press Enter, and from the search results, click on the first link. Once you arrive on the Google Families page, locate and click on the Get Started button. Next, select Create a Family Group and confirm your action by clicking Confirm. You will now be prompted to enter the email addresses of the family members you wish to add. Keep in mind that a Google Family Group can have up to 6 members in total, including yourself. After selecting the members, scroll down and click Send to send them an invitation to join your Google Family Group. Once the invitation is sent, click Got it to proceed. Your family members will receive an email invitation, which they can accept by clicking the Join Family button. Once they accept, they will officially be part of your Google Family Group. As the family manager, you will have the ability to share various Google services with your family members, including Google Calendar, YouTube Premium Family Plan, YouTube TV, Google One Storage, and more. If you ever need to remove a member, simply click on their name and select Remove Member.